Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I will give you the revision for unit test first. This is for all the sections of class 12th. You will see in your unit test first, you will find objective type question. There will be 4 options for the same question, single question. You have to choose correct one in your first unit test. Here, as I told you earlier, 2 chapters from prose, 2 chapters from poetry, and 1 from short stories you will find in your unit test first. You will have to prepare the whole chapter as I taught you earlier in my previous classes. In your grammatical portion, you will see narration, synthesis, and transformation. So say here I would like to tell you synonyms, antonyms, and figures of speech. These 3 things are also important for you for the purpose of your first unit test. Here what it is going to be held in your coming month. You see synonyms. You will see the Hindi paryayavachi sabd. In your synonyms, you see so many words are here, and you will find the similar synonyms of these words. First, abundant means for, take, or give up. Ascent, rise or lift. Attack means assault or invasion. Similarly, apology, pardon, excuse. Arrogance, pride, haughtiness. Banish, exile or expel. Goon, bluffing or favor. Chaste, pure or sinful. Calamity, misfortune or disaster. Candid, frank or outspoken. You have to prepare more words. Similarly, you will have to prepare more synonyms through your book on the basis of your grammar book. Here you will see antonyms. In your antonyms, you will find these words only for the help of your course. Attack, defend. Ability, inability, advance, retreat, adversity, prosperity, boon, curse, better, worse, concord, discord, consent, dissent, confess, deny, docile, stubborn, defense, offense. So similarly, you will find other words in your grammatical book, in your grammar book, and you will prepare just all those words just in antonyms. So this is here second your antonyms. Now you will see the third one here is figures of speech. As I have taught you earlier, all these figures of speech, I have told you about all these figures of speech where you will find simile, metaphor, personification, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, oxymoron, and apostrophe. You will find just a line or sentence, and you will have to find out what the figure of speech the same word sentence is. So in this way, you will see, you will give your second unit test. You can see, just I would like to give you simple simile, means where we compare two words or two sentences to each other. Simile, metaphor, here also the similar thing. इसको simile को उपमा, metaphor रूपा, personification, onomatopoeia, ध्वन्यात्मक, hyperbole, अतियोग, oxymoron, विरोधाभास, apostrophe, personification, मानवीकरण. So in all these ways, in all this, you will see here, you will have to do the same. बच्चों, आप लोग देखिए यहाँ पर यूनिट टेस्ट में आपको ऑप्शनल मिलेंगे. जितने भी यूनिट टेस्ट में जो होने जा रहे हैं आपके एग्जाम, उसमें आपको ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. किसी एक चैप्टर से एक क्वेश्चन दिया गया, उसके 4 ऑप्शंस, करेक्ट ऑप्शंस होंगे. उसमें से किसी एक को आपको चूज करके सेलेक्ट करना होगा. और उसमें हमने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि 2 चैप्टर प्रोज से, 2 पोएट्री, 1 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज से, और बाकी यहाँ आपको ग्रामर पोर्शन से नरेशन, सिंथेसिस, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो हमने अभी अब तक पढ़ाया है आपको. उसके बाद सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स और फिगर ऑफ स्पीच से आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ये सारे पर्यायवाची शब्द हैं, ये सारे विलोम हैं, और ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यानी अलंकार है. So you will see how you have to do it just yourself.